Pinutakte ng mga Pinoy fan ang social media post ng sikat na American tabloid matapos masipat ang lumang larawan ng celebrity ex-couple na sina Kim Chiu at Sian Lim. Sa Instagram post nitong January 30, ibinahagi ng TMZ ang celebrations ng mga stars sa Chinese New Year. Lunar New Year is officially underway, meaning it's time to celebrate the Year of the Snake. Swipe through our gallery to celebrate with the stars and find more pics at the link in bio. Mababasa sa inilagay na caption dito ng TMZ. Sa ng ilang fans, hindi raw nag-research ang TMZ dahil matagal nang hiwalay sina Kim at Sian. Narito ang ilan nilang reaksyon. TMZ is not doing their research. Pic number 4 is an old photo of a Filipino celebrity couple who broke up years ago. I'm sure their respective partners won't be happy if they spend Chinese New Year 2025 together. Kim Chiu and her ex-boyfriend, so outdated. Hiling naman nila sana daw next time ay mag-research muna sa kanilang idolo.